We have talked a lot about microneedling with your stem cells or PRP, PRFM, but what else can we do with those little babies? So many things. Okay, so on the outside, we can restore your hair. So we just inject. Basically, it's the same no matter where we do it. So I'm not going to go over the whole process, but we are going to inject your stem cells back to regrow what we're wanting. So we can inject into your neck to get rid of that crepey neck, to get rid of that crepey chest. We can inject into the joints. When we inject into the joints, then we're going to be creating more cartilage in there, which brings more mobility, more movement to you. We can do vaginal rejuvenation, which is stem cells into the labia and urethral area. And then scar revision is a great thing that we can do with stem cells. So if you have a little scar or you have bigger scars, like a surgical scar, we can inject into those areas, and with time, those things will be erased. So many, many things we can do. Remember, anything we do with stem cells is going to be a series of 3 and then an annual touch up. With any questions at all, give us a call. We're happy to talk to you about it.